Personnel from Indonesia's police anti-terror unit, Detachment 88, have arrested 5 suspected tourists linked to the banned tourist group Jemaah Islamiyah in Palu and Sigi, Central Sulawesi, this week.
From the series of arrests, police also raid properties belonging to several foundations linked to those terrorist suspects in Donggala and Sigi regencies. Police suspected those foundations had been funding the operation of Jemaah Islamiyah in Palu, supporting all of their terror acts and military trainings. From those raids, police found teaching materials, weapons, and other supporting tools. Jemaah Islamiyah is banned in Indonesia, listed as a terrorist organization following its various terror activities, including the Bali bombings and Australian embassy in Jakarta's explosion. Indonesian President Joko Widodo hopes that the operation of the first railway in Sulawesi can further change the habit of Indonesians to use mass transportation facilities rather than private vehicles to solve traffic congested problem across the archipelago.
President Widodo said Indonesia was late in building its mass transportation infrastructure for 30 years, which has caused traffic congestion all over the country due to people's habit of using private vehicles for human and good transport. So during his term of presidency, President Widodo said he has been prioritizing transportation infrastructure development, not only on the island of Java, but across Indonesia. One of those transportation infrastructure projects is the plan to build Trans-Sulawesi Railway that has been completed in the building of 125 kilometers of rail track from the total of 145 kilometers of the length for sections in Makassar and Parepare in South Sulawesi. On Wednesday, President Widodo also inaugurated the operating of an 80-kilometer track from Maros Railway Depot to Baru Station. He expected the development of Trans-Sulawesi Railway can improve the economy competitiveness of Sulawesi, particularly in South Sulawesi, where the first phase of the railway project has almost been completed.
Oleh sebab itu, saya sangat senang dan menghargai apa yang sudah kita mulai ini, jalur kereta api Trans Sulawesi yang nantinya insya Allah akan sambung menyambung dari Makassar sampai ke utara di Sulawesi Utara di Manado. Meskipun sekarang ini baru dari Makassar sampai Parepare, dan yang sekarang yang ingin kita resmikan ini jalur dari Maros ke Baru. Jadi ini Makassar nanti kemudian ke sana ke Parepare.